There are over 2 million vending machines in Japan, popping up on train station platforms and in places you may not expect. Some sell things that may surprise, like hot soup in a can. On a cold morning, it hits like magic. Then there's the umbrella vending machine. Forgot yours? Japan's got you covered. And our favorite, fresh flower vending machines. Perfect for date night or damage control. Japan's vending machines aren't just convenient. They're big metal boxes of culture hiding in plain sight.